First Response Restoration manages all kinds of water damage. The company is fully licensed and insured and staffed by certified technicians. The firm operates 24/7, 365 days a year. Water damage often requires a fast and effective response. The average cost of a home water damage claim is over $10,000. Even water leaks can lead to major damage. The company will extract all moisture, save any flooring, and take moisture readings for insurance claims. Go to firstresponsorrestoration.com for more information.